Before I let me down to see, pray to let my soul to you. Hope it's not so late for me.
It's been way too long since I felt this way. Take away the love for the loss of the pain. Calling through my head on your legs where I lay. So baby if I may, baby if I may.
I've been on edge like lately, too fast in my head like save me. She don't want no issues, baby. Why you causing them issues crazy? Said I got some problems, maybe. Said I got some comments, maybe. Said I got some problems that I can't solve them. Let us be honest, baby. Yeah. Let us be honest, we finna pop it. I just want park the whip in my product. Last night that me fucked up, cause I fucked up. But I won't say nada, said this shit would never happen. Know where we at, it's already happening. We in the middle of everything, I don't know anything. All of these feelings entrap me. It's a lot that we can't understand. A lot of feelings I don't know. Oh, but I've been waiting for moments like this.
Way too long since I felt this way. Take away the love for the loss of the pain. Calling through my head on your legs where I lay. So baby if I may, baby if I may.
Yeah, you know me well, so you know how much I value a promise. It's weighing on us, the way you break them and play it off is honestly heartbreaking. Watching us pay the cost of losing trust in the one person I truly thought was meant for me. This can't be how love was meant to be. So tell me why a part of me begs to stay when I'm meant to leave. Mentally I'm at my worst, wish I could forgive you, but some mistakes can't be reversed. Still I can't forget you, yeah. Why's it always gotta go wrong? All I know is
it's been way too long since I felt this way. Take away the love for the loss of the pain. Calling through my head on your legs where I lay. So baby if I may, baby if I may. It's been way too long since I felt this way. Take away the love for the loss of the pain. Calling through my head on your legs where I lay. So baby if I may, baby if I may.
No, I'm not justifying none of this shit I chose to do myself. Yeah, but you did me wrong, so that's how I felt. Yeah, it's not the same, but it doesn't fucking help how you had did. Nah, shit, I'll spare the details. Never mind, I'm not fine. I'm dying on the inside. It's 9 a.m. and I woke up at like 9 a.m. last night. I'm fed up, kept up with this mess of situations that you left unsolved. It's slept on while you still on all that BS that you let on. Fuck.
Why's it always gotta go wrong? All I know is it's been way too long since I felt this way. Take away the love for the loss of the pain. Calling through my head on your legs where I lay. So baby if I may, baby if I may. It's been way too long since I felt this way.